Why might 20 volt be present at the thermostat base but not at the control board terminal? If you see 20 volt at the thermostat base but not at the control board terminal, start by tracing the wire run for breaks or poor connections, because the most likely cause is voltage loss along the conductor. Check each junction point and any split terminals for loose screws and backstabbed connections, since a lightly tightened screw can create a high resistance path that drops voltage under load. Inspect the wire insulation for nicks, rodent damage, or sharp bends where the copper may be partially severed. Gently tug short lengths of exposed conductors to reveal intermittent faults. Remove and clean any corroded terminals or splices. Corrosion raises contact resistance and will show nominal voltage with no load but collapse when the circuit is stressed. Verify the thermostat base contacts and the control board terminal block are making solid mechanical contact, and that wires are wrapped clockwise under screw heads so tightening draws the conductor in. If the run uses a common connector or gasketed block in an attic, crawl space, or junction box, open and test across that connector with a meter while someone cycles the system to observe voltage under operational load. 3 common mistakes are assuming a meter reading at one end guarantees continuity at the other end, failing to test voltage under load, and overlooking multi-conductor pair miswiring. A static meter test can show phantom or induced voltage that disappears when the furnace or air handler is called to run, so measure while calling for heat or cooling to see true loaded voltage. Do not rely solely on visual continuity. Use a wiggle test along the run and measure resistance to find intermittent opens. Finally, double-check that the thermostat and control board wires are paired correctly and not swapped with another low-voltage circuit. Miswiring can place 20 volt on a base terminal while the intended control board input remains open. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by listing contactable tradespeople and offering a forum where community members discuss real projects and local vendor experiences. We also make it easier for contractors to locate work and join conversations in our discussion community so both sides can exchange practical advice and leads.